Good morning. Anthony here, main admin from the Storm Center. Before we head off to the Atlantic, I want to take a quick peek at the Eastern Pacific, where we currently everything is quiet except for Invest 92E, currently located here, along with another tropical wave south of Mexico. Our main concern, however, is in the Atlantic, where most of you know by now, we currently have Tropical Depression 2. I'm going to show you guys the spaghetti models along with the global model so you guys can see how much they differ and why yesterday this only had a slight chance of development and now we have a tropical depression. Here are the current spaghetti models, which shows Tropical Depression 2 taking a west-northwest track towards the Leeward Islands, later Hispaniola, and maybe even something to watch in the southeastern United States in the long run. But that shouldn't be a worry since conditions are expected to become unfavorable to support strengthening, and you'll see why in a minute. Here are the global models starting with the GFS, which shows no further development. As you see here, pretty much dissipated before reaching the Leeward Islands, along with the GEM, also shows like the GFS dissipating before the Leeward Islands, and the NAVGEM, which agrees with the other two global models, dissipating before the Leeward Islands. This is the current water vapor satellite imagery, which shows clearly an abundant amount of dry air, especially to the north of the system, which could easily make its way into the system, especially due to its size. Then the system will also face moderate wind shear in the Eastern Caribbean, further escalating the problems this system will face. So pretty much for the time being, anyone in the Eastern Caribbean, especially the Leeward Islands, should be closely monitoring the situation. Looking at the official energy forecast cone, they don't anticipate much as strengthening comes along, as having it just as a remnant low near the Virgin Islands. However, something interesting that someone brought up earlier today was the possibility of this making its way near the southeastern United States as a remnant low. If that does occur, development wouldn't be surprising due to the boiling sea surface temperatures in this region, especially near Florida. But that's just something to watch as the time goes on. Hope everyone has a great Tuesday and God bless.